Do you want to find nearby people on Instagram? You can find nearby friends or Instagram users with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find nearby people on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To find nearby people on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. A new screen will appear. Type your city or a specific place near you in the search box at the top. After entering the name of your current location, search for it. At the top of the screen, you will see various tabs. Find and tap the Places tab to select your exact or nearby location. Now, this will display a list of places based on your search keyword. Select the one closest to you. Next, tap on this icon at the top of the screen. Allow any Instagram permission to access your location. Now, you will see nearby users who have visited places close to your location recently. You can also see nearby places. At the bottom, swipe up the location name, and you'll see photos of places or people who recently posted there. By following these simple steps, you can easily find nearby people on Instagram using the map feature.